This is Dr. G. Tejeswar Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Mizoram University. I have more interest to teach Sociological Foundations of Education for MA Education second semester students. Now I would like to discuss about the Sociological Foundations of Education. In this topic, there are two credits is there. First one is social interaction and group dynamics in education. Second one is education, society and social change. These two credits are very important in the sociological perspectives of education. Social interaction and group dynamics. Social interaction, what is the social interaction? How to maintain the social interaction? We have to discuss about in this topic. That is the typology of social groups are primary groups, secondary groups, formal groups, informal groups, in groups and out groups. Now we have to discuss about the formal groups. Before that, we have to discuss about social groups. Social groups are everywhere and are a basic part of human life. Everywhere you look, there seem to be groups of people. A main focus of sociology is the study of the social groups. A social group consists of two or more people who regularly interact and share a sense of unity and common identity. In other words, it's a group of people who see each other frequently and consider themselves a part of the group, except in rare cases. We all typically belongs to many different types of social groups. That is, number one is the primary group. Primary group are those who are close knit. They are typically a small scale, initiate a relationship and are usually long lasting. The membership of primary groups, for example, nuclear family is the best example for the primary groups. The secondary groups are another type of social group. They have the opposite characteristics of the primary group. They can be small or larger and mostly impersonal and usually short-term relations. Like when we give the project work to the students and they have to gather sometimes after completion of the project work and they have to dissolve the group. That is the secondary group. And the formal groups are respectively permanent and usually work under a single supervision. Along the structure of the formal group, many way of, for example, task force groups with committees, so many committees like Kotari Commission, these type of the groups, they have to organize one person and they have to collect some of the data and they have to give the what is the problem, how to take the policies, how to implement the policies, what is the necessity in the society. This type of the group is the formal groups. Next, informal groups. Informal groups is one that it is not organized, determined or influenced and usually formed by the members of themselves. Informal groups, it is unconsciously or consciously they have to gather one place. For example, we have to function, we have to go to the marriage function and we have to meet so many people and somehow we have to talk with them sometimes and after the group may be dissolved. That is the informal group. And also in groups and out groups also very important in the social groups. Next, social is the leadership, also one of the social group, one of the content. And also dynamics of group behavior, sociometry, sociogram. These are the social interactions. This is very important for the social interactions. Group dynamics deals with the attitude of the behavioral pattern of a group. Group dynamics concerns how groups are formed. groups are formed so many ways. Like some of the in that also so many groups is there, and how to form the society, how to form the community, what is the difference between group and community, what is the group, what is that peer group, and what is the mob, what is the society. These are all the differences between social groups. This is how to interact with the social group. This is also very essential for the every human being, because of day by day relations are increasing because of the development of the ICT, and we have to, as a according to that, so according to Aristotle, man is a social animal. We, because of that, we have to live in the society, we have to maintain the good relations with others. Then we have to know what is the culture, what is the society, what is the relations in that societies, like that. And that sociometry is the study of social interaction. ಏನು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್